As promised, here's my iced protein coffee for the mornings. This drink gives you a head start of 20 grams of protein for the day. It is a basic recipe, so you can always spice it up yourself. Anyways, let's get started. I'll be using my Magic Bullet almond milk for me. By the way, I love my jug. I swear by this KOS plant protein. It's the only brand I use. This is my first time trying the salted caramel coffee flavor. Don't judge me by this instant coffee, but chef's kiss to my Mexican mug. It is so cute. When it comes to coffee, I'm not a huge coffee girl. The instant coffee is all I had on hand from when my mom came to visit. So you just use what you love. I'm pouring the almond milk to the max line and also putting 2 scoops of this plant protein, which equals the 20 grams. By the way, you can obviously use any protein you like, but I've only ever done this with the KOS brand. Like I said, it's the only one I use because the ingredients are super clean and it is naturally sweetened with plant ingredients. So how amazing is that? If you want to try it out for yourself, you can always find it on my Amazon storefront, including that milk jug. I mean, you have to get that milk jug. The link is in my bio. All right, we're blending now. Check this out. Bam, bam. Man, how I wish cleanup was actually that easy. Anyhow, this is the aftermath. The consistency is more on the creamier side. And by the way, if you live in an apartment, this comes in clutch, this little ice tray maker. You can also find it on my Amazon storefront. It makes my life easier when it comes to ice. For the moment of truth, we are pouring it in our glorious little Mexican mug. It is a whole vibe with this cup. I love it. I do sprinkle cinnamon. You can always skip this part if you don't like cinnamon, but this is it. I drink this every morning. It is pretty yummy. So if you make it, let me know.